Okay, so now let's put our hands out nice and straight. There you go. We're gonna keep your hands up on top of the water the whole time, Timmy. Okay, toesies over the edge. We're gonna push off and kick, kick, kick. I'm gonna help you on this one. I'm gonna keep your hands up on top of the water. Are you ready? I'm gonna put my hands right here. I'm gonna take my other hand and put it right under her chest or her belly to kind of push her up and keep her parallel on top of the water. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Eyes down, kick, 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 kick. Good, kick, kick, kick. Very good. Let's turn you around, put your hands on mine. There you go. One hand on top of the other. So I've got her hands right here. I'm just gonna hold them. I'm gonna hold you the whole time. I'm gonna take my other arm underneath her body. We're gonna put our eyes down and kick. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Eyes down, kick, 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 kick. Good job. Did you kick out of my hands?
Yeah.